Hi guys, welcome to my Lime Tips. In today's video, we're looking at how to always win in sport betting, and we'll focus today's videos on how to predict under 2.5 goals in football betting. Okay, let's get started. As you know, in this channel, we do tutorial videos on how to win football match in different markets, from how to win full-time draw, how to win halftime draw, how to predict current score in football, how to predict straight win in football. So if you have not watched those videos, check out the comment section. I will drop the links to those videos in that section, and also in our description. You can also search this channel for more of those tutorial videos. It will help you a lot as the new football season will resume in few weeks. Moving on. The tools we are going to use today is called flashcore.com, a website called flashcore.com or flashcore.mobi. And when you open flashcore.mobi, there's a particular number I want you to be looking out for. As you know, in this channel, we use odds combination to analyze football match. So the odds we are going to look for today is 1.77 home team. What this tells you is that whenever you see 1.77 home team, know that that game will end in under 2.5 goals. Or if you want to play safe, you can select under 3.5 goals. And they always carry a very good odd of 1.25 to 1.35 odds. Moving on, as you know, we have a package where we give 5 to 20 odds on daily basis on our premium channel. So if you are interested in getting 5 to 20 odds on daily basis, I will leave my WhatsApp link in the comment section. It's a paid service. You pay a token weekly, then we give you a good prediction that will make you win daily. Moving on, let's use today's game as an example. Today is 11th of July 2023. Today matches. As I mentioned earlier, we are looking out for the odd of 1.77 home team. So this is good example here. In Argentina Reserve League, here you have it. A game between Tigre 2 versus Instituto 2. You can see the home team have a odd of 1.77. Then we move on to another example. As you can see, this game is live in Brazil Serie B, a game between Vila Nova versus Victoria. As you can see, the home team have a odd of 1.77, and they've already played halftime goalless draw. So this game will likely end under 2.5 goals. I can guarantee 95% that you end under 2.5 goals. So if you want to play it safe, you can select under 3.5 goals. That is 99% sure that they will play under 3.5 goals. Moving on to example number 2. Let's select this game. This game here in China Super League, When I checked the odds last in the afternoon, it was 1.77. This game between Shandong Taishan versus Shanghai Shenhua. So here, as you can see, the odds has dropped to 1.74. So this game will also end under 2.5 goals. Most likely the home team might win 1-0 or the 2-0 scoreline. But to play it safe, because our aim here is to make money, you can select under 3.5 goals. So let's go to our bookie and select this game. China Super League. If you have not liked this video till this moment, that means you are not wishing us well. Kindly hit the like button. If you are new to this channel, subscribe so that you get content like this every day. We also have a Telegram channel where we drop free predictions and interact with other members. So if you want to join that channel, I will leave the link in the comment section. Thank you. Okay, this is the game here. The game between Shandong Taishan versus Shanghai Shanhu. So let's check out the under 2.5 odds. As you can see, the under 2.5 odd is 1.77. Then the under 3.5 odd is 1.29. So I will go for under 3.5 goals. Let's move on to another example. Argentina Reserve. Let's check out this Argentina Reserve, the game between Tigre. The network is a bit slow. Just be patient for it to load. Okay, this is it. You can see 1.77. Okay, let's check the under. The under 2.5 goals is 1.61 odd. Let's select under 3.5 goals at 1.21. So already we have a total of 1.56 odds. When the season resumes, you will see a lot of these 1.77 home team every day. You can see up to 10 matches. So if you select 10 matches at the odd of 1.25 to 1.3, will give you up to 50 to 70 odds. As for the under 3.5 option, if you want to go for under 2.5 option, you have it nothing less than 1,000 or more than 1,000 odds. So guys, that is all I can share with you in this X section.